buy more, save more. Those of you that have been waiting for this lawnmower to get cheap, now's the time to hack it, guys. Run down and get these. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches, and buy more, save more. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Basically, so we got the brushless, cordless 21-inch walk-behind dual battery self-propelled mower with the two 12-amp hour batteries and rapid charger. All right, so that's it right there. It's pretty much the standard. There's more configurations. And if you guys know of any more configurations, let us know that in the comment section. Which tools did you put in? Which is the best deal? Or if there's any glitches, let us know so we can share with everybody else. All right, so we got two 12-amp hour batteries, dual port charger, $9.99. Then we got the buy more, save more, which says add one more to save 40. So you have, I'm going to add one more right now. All right, so we got, you can choose from, it's already sold out. My guess they're just holding off on it. I do not think it's sold out because they just put this out there. You got the cordless edge trimmer with the pull attachment thing, power head, $4.99. You got the brushless cordless, edge trimmer, the regular one, $3.29. You got the chainsaw, 20-inch dual battery chainsaw with 2 batteries charger. You got the, 145 mile per hour, 600 CFM blower, $2.99. You got the backpack blower at 650 CFM, which is not a lot of difference on the other one. 600 CFM for $4.99. You got the brush cutter, string trimmer. Brush cutter, that's what it is. $3.48, and then you got the dual battery string trimmer, $3.99. You got the regular trimmer at $2.99. Now this one's a big one, guys. If you guys missed the holiday deal, forged battery deal thing, now this is the time to move into this. Be smart about it. Stock up on these because they are really cheap. All right, so you got the two 4-amp hour batteries. These are 8-amp hour batteries and a dual port charger, $3.99. Here's an edger, $3.49, and a pole saw, $5.99. Top handle chainsaw, $3.49, and some sort of a trimmer, $4.99. It's like the Ryobi one. A backpack sprayer for $3.99. A dual port, actually a 6-port charger, and 2 forged battery for $5.99. All right, so I'm gonna add another one because I still have to add another one. Let me see here. I'm gonna add the top. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna add this one. No, not that one because that's. Let's see here. The top handle. We're gonna add it to the cart. Your success. You're saving 40%. Something went wrong. Oh my God, what's going on? All right, so for the mower, this is the time you have to do your math here. $5.99, guys. Run down and get these, guys. This is a really good deal. You can hack them. You can return the rest. However, I would keep at least the 2 8-amp hour batteries with this deal. $5.99. Killer deal. 2 12-amp hour batteries, dual port charger, and the newer Milwaukee mower, which is like $1,000. There's 464 of those available for delivery. Try to shop locally, obviously, to save for this deal for somebody else, or in case you want to hack it in the future. There's more, because if you choose from the warehouse, there's gonna be one less and so forth, and nobody's gonna get those anymore. All right, so same thing with this. Shop locally. You got the chainsaw. It's down to $209, down from $349. Save 40% off. All right, the backpack blower is $299, down from $499. It's a really good deal. Limit 5 per order. All right, here are the batteries. So the batteries are $239 with 47% off. Limit 5 per order, so you guys are able to order more. And I'll do that right now. Hold on. So these are two 8 amp hour batteries, dual port charger. This is a great deal, killer deal. Stock up on those batteries, guys. $100 a piece. There you go for 8 amp hour batteries. All right, so in this one's a 16-inch brushless, cordless, battery-powered straight shaft trimmer. $179. That's a good deal on that one. And of course, your total is going to be $15.27. All right, you're not going to pay that because you're going to be returning some of these items, right? I'm going to go ahead and delete. I'm actually going to add one more, these batteries. So it was $239 per unit or per battery set. Again, you guys are able to choose more of those, and you're still gonna get it at that $239. I don't know if this is a price glitch or not. This is limit 5 per order, so you are able to, I guess, stick up to 5 in there. Yeah, stock up on them, guys. All right, so we got 5 and still $239 a piece. Kill deal on that one, guys. Run down and get those. And I will leave you guys the links to the mower and some of these down below in the description section of the video. Let me try and delete one here. Hold on. Because before, I'm going to delete this one because this one's the one that I think I got the batteries cheaper. The mower is going to go up, by the way. Actually, $5.99 is not that bad. It's still, I think it's the same. The batteries. No, batteries are the same. All right, so you don't have to add the chainsaw. Let me try and delete one here and see what it does. No, I'm just going to leave it like that. I think that's a good deal. All right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let us know your configuration down on the comment section. Let us know what you bought and what it was the price that it came out on. Help your fellow YouTuber out. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.